Come to Dardasana pose with the legs extended in front of you and the arms alongside the body. Engage the feet and press out through the heel. On an inhale, engage your core. Extend the arms up towards the sky, pulling out of the waist. Reach through the fingertips, lengthen the spine while drawing the shoulders down away from the ears. On an exhale, fold forward as if you wanted to rest the torso on the thighs. The bend should be initiated from the hip joint, not the waist. Keep lengthening the spine with every inhale. The feet remain active with the toes flexed towards the body. There's a tendency to round the spine in this pose, so try to get your head lower to your legs, so avoid this if you can. Focus on a nice, long, straight spine. With every inhale, lengthen the spine, and with every exhale, bend a little deeper. To release, come back to Dandasana by drawing the tailbone down into the earth, gently letting go of whatever you're holding on to, and bring the torso back to perpendicular.